Alright, so in this problem, I have 81 to the power of x plus 81 to the power of x plus 81 to the power of x is equal to 18. So, I obviously want to find x as it's my only variable in this problem, so for my solution, I'm going to first start by rewriting this equation over here. So 81 to the power of x plus 81 to the power of x plus 81 to the power of x is equal to 18. Now, notice how we have three of the same terms in my left-hand side. So the best thing to do here is just factor them out. So I get 81 to the power of x times, now these two are the same, so any term divided by itself is 1. So I get 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 18. Now 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3, so I get 81 to the power of x times 3 is equal to 18. Now if I divide both sides by 3, these two cancel out, and I get 81 to the power of x is equal to 18 divided by 3, which is equal to 6. So now we can tell that x is actually going to be a fraction. So it's going to be somewhere between 0 and 1. So we need to find the value of x because 81 is greater than 6, so x can't be a whole number. That's just not possible. So how are we going to solve this? So what I'm going to do is rewrite 81 as 3 to the power of 4. So make it as simplified as it can be with its base. Now, if I have something in the form a to the power of m to the power of n, this is equal to a to the power of m times n. So 3 to the power of 4 to the power of x is equal to 3 to the power of 4 times x, or we can also write this as 3 to the power of 4x. So I have 3 to the power of 4x is equal to 6. Now from here, I'm going to take the log on both sides. And the reason I'm taking the log on both sides is because of a helpful property of logarithms that states that if I have something in the form log a to the power of b, I can move b to the front, so this can equal b times log a. So now, right now, x is a exponent, and it's really hard to solve for x as the way it is. But now using this property, I can move it to the front, so now it's an actual term, and it's much easier to solve for. So that's the reason I took the log on both sides, and sorry, this is log 6. Now from here, I'm going to rewrite log 6 as log of 3 times 2. And an important property of logarithms is that if I have something in the form log of a times b, this is equal to log a plus log b. So in this case, I have log 3 times 2. And that's going to equal log of 3 plus log 2. Now, we want to isolate x, so I'm going to divide both sides by 4 times log 3. So then these two cancel out, and I get x is equal to log 3 plus log 2 over 4 log 3. And although this is the right answer, we can simplify this even more by rewriting this as log 3 over 4 log 3 plus log 2 over 4 log 3. So then these two cancel out, and I get x is equal to 1 over 4 plus log 2 over 4 log 3.